I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fuel bikes in Dune Awakening. First, locate your bike and ensure you have the necessary fuel resources. Fueling your bike is a straightforward process that ensures uninterrupted travel across the vast desert landscapes. We'll cover how to acquire fuel, access your bike's inventory, and successfully transfer the fuel. This will help you maintain mobility and explore more effectively. To begin, you'll need to acquire fuel cells. These essential items can be found by harvesting spice, which is abundant in many desert regions. Alternatively, you can craft fuel cells using raw materials gathered from the environment. Look for spice fields or gather components like solarium and plasteel to create your own fuel supply at a crafting station. Having a good stock ensures you're always ready for your next journey. Once you have your fuel cells, approach your bike and interact with it to open its inventory. You'll see various slots, including one specifically for fuel. Simply drag and drop the fuel cells from your personal inventory into this designated slot. After placing the fuel, confirm the transfer to ensure it's properly loaded. Your bike's fuel gauge will update, showing its new capacity. To maximize your bike's efficiency, always check its fuel level before embarking on any journey, especially long ones. Carrying extra fuel cells in your inventory is a smart practice, preventing you from being stranded in the vast desert. Remember, a well-fueled bike is key to successful exploration and survival on Arrakis. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.